Hi, my name is Kabir. My group number is 158A. Today we will be performing intravenous injection. So let's start. Before anything, I would like to tell you that this box will serve as medical box A and this box will serve as medical box B. It will remain on ground. So now let's start. Before anything, we will be performing hand hygiene. For hand hygiene, I will take soap. I'll turn on water. Then I will rub it. Now I will take the disinfectant. I will rub it again. Now I will wear my gloves. I have my gloves with me. First I will put in two fingers and then I will wear my gloves. Here I have put in two fingers and now I will insert my hand in here. I have worn the first glove and now I will wear the second glove. For second glove, which is here, I will straighten it up. Now I will insert three fingers like this. I will insert three fingers and then insert my hand in here. I have worn both gloves and now what I will do is that I will take the syringe. I will check if it is intact, if the packaging is intact. Yes, the packaging is intact. Now I will check the expiry date. The expiry date is January 2025. Now I will open it like this. After opening it up, I will take this packet and then I will put it in medical box A. Also, there is the cover in which the gloves were present, so I will also put it in medical box A. Now I will keep it here, my syringe here. I will take my syringe and I will see the readings. You can also see that here are the readings. So I will see the readings, then I will open the cap of the syringe. But before opening the cap of the syringe, first I will take a piece of cotton, and this is the medicine box from which I will take the medicine. So first I will clean the medicine box. After cleaning the medical box, I will take this piece of cotton and put it in medical box B. Then I will take the syringe. I will remove the cap of the syringe, put it here, and I will carefully take the medicine from the medicine box. Here I have taken the medicine. Now I will remove any air bubble present inside the syringe by keeping the syringe at the eye level. I have removed any air bubble that was present in the syringe. I will close it up again. Now I will take my tourniquet and I will put it around this piece of sponge on which I will be injecting. I will be using the syringe. I have done it. Now I will take the syringe, remove the cap, and take a piece of cotton, and this is a piece of cotton which I had dipped in disinfectant. So now I will take this cotton and I will rub it over here where I will use the injection. 1, 2, 3. I will put this piece of cotton in medical box B. I have the syringe with me. So with these two fingers, I will take, I will hold the syringe like this, and with this finger, I will hold and I will put the finger of mine on the syringe like this. As you can see, this way, and now at an angle of 25 degrees, I will insert the syringe. Now I will slowly remove the tourniquet. I have removed the tourniquet, and now I will inject the medicine. I have injected the medicine. Now I will slowly remove the syringe. I will put the syringe in medical box B. Now I will take another piece of cotton and I will rub it over here where I had used the syringe. Now I will put this cotton in medical box B. Now I will remove my gloves. As you can see, I have removed my gloves, and now I will put these gloves in medical box B. That's it. Thank you.